Ooh, ooh. This is Ruthie from Ruthie Great Up Mom, and welcome to the MailerLight Magic. This is an update from the update. I had to cut it off really quickly. But what I wanted to say was MailerLight will automatically, once you send that GDPR template that I showed you in the last one, they will automatically make a new segment that is GDPR compliant. And let's see, that's not it. That's something I made for people I needed to send a new email to. Confirm GDPR compliance. It's in your groups, okay? So there it is. So far I've had 98 people confirm, which I am hoping that number will grow during the week. That'd be really nice, wouldn't it? So let me show you what I did with my forms, because I told you it's best to add a little bit more verbiage and your privacy policy. So here's how you do that. Let's go down to something else here. Let's go to the yell free sign up. By the way, if you yell at your kids, you might want to sign up for this. It's a 5-day series. So the confirmation checkbox, like we talked about yesterday, all you have to do is start typing and it will come about. So let's say I want to say something like what I said here. Let me see if I can just copy this. Yes, please add me. I know I whisper when I'm thinking to myself. Okay, there it is. And there is the box. Remember, the box cannot already be checked. Then what I want to put is this statement. Okay, so once you already have it, then you can add it somewhere else. I would advise you to make your own verbiage and not just use mine. But anyway, there's the privacy policy. Now, if you don't know how to add links, you just insert them here. Okay, so like that's what I did in my other one. Privacy policy. See, there it is. There's my privacy policy. You just go to your privacy policy right there. Click and copy. Go over here, paste it in there, put new window, and then there you have it. And there they have the access to your privacy policy. Now, something that the lawyer guy that I watched today recommended was putting yes instead of subscribe. You could put yes. I think they understand if I have yes over here, like Crystal Payne did in hers. I think it's going to be okay because they have to check that. So once they have all of this information, then you should be good to go. Again, I am not a lawyer, nor do I play one on TV. But as far as I can tell, this is how you can be GDPR compliant. Now, again, I really think that they're more looking for people who are targeting and trying to market to EU people. Anyway, so now I got to update this. So I want to grab my HTML, or I just want to copy this URL right here and put it where it goes, okay? Also, there is a plugin, MailerLight plugin, that will update that. It will already be there if you updated this, okay? So there you go, and that's more MailerLight magic for you. Ooh, ooh.